Hi, I'm Katherine from EnglishBooster. An essential part of our workshops is to create an environment where participants can develop their confidence and let go their fears about communicating in English, be it when they are in meetings, in teleconferences, or in video conferences, or giving a presentation. So in a typical Yes You Can or Take to the Floor workshop, there is a lot of constructive feedback, there is a lot of time to practice, and it's very interactive and fun. I have been giving some remote Yes You Can sessions during this lockdown, and I'm really happy to see and to feel that we can create this very human environment and this positive learning experience on a digital platform. One of the feedbacks we received from one of our recent participants was this was the first time in her life that she spoke English with self-confidence. Thank you.